Hello dear students of class 5. In today's lesson we are going to learn how to find out the exact time. So let us proceed with some examples first. Our first example is what time will be 4 hours 40 minutes after 8:40 pm. So children, we have to solve this sum in two steps. In the first step we have to find the time which is 4 hours after 8:40 pm. You can add 4 hours with 8:40 pm which is equal to 12:40 am the following day. And in the next step you have to find the time which is 40 minutes after 12:40 am, which you have found out in the previous step. Now you have to add 40 minutes with 12:40 am which is equal to 1:20 am. Therefore 4 hours 40 minutes after 8:40 pm will be 1:20 am the following day, which is my answer. Now let us move to our next example. What time was 8 hours 20 minutes before 6:10 pm? Here in this case we have used an alternative method to solve this sum. Children, you have already learnt about 24-hour clock time in your previous classes. So here we have to convert the 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock time at first. As you all can see, I have converted 6:10 pm into 1810 hours. Now in 1810 hours, the first two digits 18 represents hours and the last two digits 10 represents minutes. So 1810 hours is also equal to 18 hours and 10 minutes. Now from 18 hours and 10 minutes you have to subtract 8 hours and 20 minutes to find the required time. Children, you have already learnt subtraction of time in our previous videos. So following the same rule, I have made the subtraction here also. As you can see, two different units have been used, hours and minutes. So I have made two different columns, one for hours, one for minutes. Then I have arranged the numbers under the units. 18 hours 10 minutes minus 8 hours 20 minutes. First I have to subtract the minutes column, then I have to subtract the hours column. Now in the minutes column, as you all can see, I was supposed to subtract 20 minutes from 10 minutes, which is not possible because 10 is a smaller number than 20. So I have borrowed 1 hour from the hours column. Now as you all know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore after borrowing 1 hour, I have converted it into 60 minutes. Now these 60 minutes I have added with 10 minutes. As you can see, I have shown it in rough also. 60 plus 10, it becomes 70 minutes. Now from 70 minutes I can easily subtract 20 minutes, which is equal to 50 minutes. Now let us move to the hours column. As I have already told you that I have borrowed 1 hours from the hours column. So with how many hours I am left with now? 18 minus 1 is equal to 17 hours. Now from 17 hours, if I subtract 8 hours, I will get 9 hours. Therefore 8 hours 20 minutes before 6:10 pm will be 9 hours 50 minutes. But children, 9 hours 50 minutes is the time according to the 24-hour clock time. So I will have to convert it back into the 12-hour clock time. So if I convert 9 hour 50 minutes into 12-hour clock time, it is equal to 9:50 am, which is my answer. Children, I hope you have been able to understand how to find the exact time from this video. I request all of you to practice similar sums at home. Thank you children. Take care.